Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets of big business. Get ready, because today we're looking at Bit Digital Incorporated. And let's just say their latest financial update might have you checking your own crypto wallet. So Bit Digital Incorporated, the company you might know from their Bitcoin mining operations, has put out some early numbers for the last part of 2025. Now these are not the final numbers, they are estimates, meaning they are still working on the final count. Think of it like baking a cake. These are the ingredients measured out, but the cake isn't out of the oven yet. The report is dated the 31st of October 2025, and it covers the 3 months ending the 30th of September of the same year. This is important because it is giving us a peek at their financial health just before the end of the third quarter. Bit Digital Incorporated is a company that has been navigating the wild world of digital assets. They are incorporated in the Cayman Islands, which is a common practice for companies worldwide. Now, let's talk about what matters most to investors, the financials. They have ordinary shares trading on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol BTBT. This means people can buy and sell pieces of the company on the stock market. The main part of this report is their financial update. They are giving us a heads up on a few key figures from their third quarter of 2025. They're telling us about their expected revenue, their costs, and how much cash they have on hand. For the 3 months ending the 30th of September 2025, Bit Digital expects their revenue to be somewhere between 28.9 million and 32.0 million US dollars. That is a decent chunk of change, but it is important to remember these are estimates. Now, let's look at their cost of revenue, which is essentially the direct costs associated with generating that revenue, excluding things like depreciation. They are estimating this to be between 11.5 million and 12.7 million US dollars. What is really interesting here is their cash position. As of the 30th of September 2025, they expect to have between 173.7 million and 184.5 million US dollars in cash and cash equivalents. That is a very healthy amount of liquidity, meaning they have plenty of readily available money to cover their expenses, invest in new projects, or weather any unexpected storms. It is crucial to understand that these numbers are preliminary. The company itself states that their financial closing procedures are not yet complete. This means the actual final numbers could be different. It's like getting a sneak peek at a movie before it's fully edited. And to make it even clearer, their independent auditors, Audit Alliance LLP, haven't actually checked these preliminary numbers yet, so they are not giving any sort of guarantee or opinion on these figures at this time. Now, no corporate report is complete without a section on forward-looking statements. This is basically a legal disclaimer. They are telling us that they are making predictions about the future, and because the future is uncertain, these predictions might not actually happen. They warn that actual results could be very different from what they are saying now. They are particularly pointing investors to their annual report for details on the risks involved. So to wrap up the official stuff, the report is signed off by Sam Tarbar, the Chief Executive Officer, on the 31st of October 2025. Okay, so what does this all mean for Bit Digital Incorporated? They are giving us an early snapshot and indicating strong revenue and a very solid cash position. This suggests they are operating profitably and have a strong financial cushion. However, it is vital to remember these are estimates, and until the final audited numbers are released, there is always a bit of uncertainty. The substantial cash reserves are a big positive, giving them flexibility. We'll be watching closely for the final report to see if these estimations hold true and what it signals for their strategy in the dynamic digital asset market. Alright, that is our breakdown of Bit Digital Incorporated's latest filing. What is your take on these preliminary numbers and what they signal for the company's future in the crypto space? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.